22.
She put them in backwards, didn't she?
Must have. Because as soon as I took them out and looked at the guidelines and all that, it started right up.
Upset if you do anything foolish about my birthday.
You got a birthday coming?
I mean it. Now you've got to promise me to be
Since she's
good.
wasting her memory
Birthdays
on
are
him,
just
I
for
won't
children.
bother with mine.
Well, don't fret about it. It'd be terrible to see the working wrinkles on a girl of 22.
I post this stuff on YouTube for people to watch.
No. No. Three little poops.
Now remember, nothing fancy.
Zoom in on the mighty run.
Cancel my order for that genuine mink coat.
Oh, you know what I mean.
Oh, it's a shame. It would have gone so nice with that long string of genuine pearls. I hope he's getting it. I'll see you later. Come on up.
What?
After you have Stouffer's, it's like the rest of these are like good. Still a little tender too over here.